550 XP. It's a professional saw, so I like to run a expert chain on it, which is a full chisel chain. So have you ever wanted to know what a full chisel chain looks like? See how it's like a number 7? The top edge is like a right angle. It goes up and across. That's a full chisel chain.